Hello engineers, welcome to PulseGrid EMS. I will explain you how to configure energy meter with PulseGrid EMS. It is a system architecture for the on-premise local server. All energy meters are looped parallel with the shielded communication cable and connected to the Modbus to Ethernet gateway. Gateway is connected to the Ethernet switch. This LAN network is connected with the PulseGrid EMS server PC. When engineer need to configure the energy meter into EMS, he need to connect his computer with the server PC LAN network as shown. User can open the EMS application by web browser also. Energy meters, converter and PulseGrid server PC configuration are as shown. First we ping converter and then PulseGrid server PC. If both are connected to same network with your computer, then we can configure energy meter with the PulseGrid EMS. For energy meter communication settings like baud rate, parity, first we will open converter in the web browser, then we configure it as shown. Here we are configuring serial settings as well as its IP. Now we will open EMS server PC IP address into web browser. It will open login screen. Engineer need to use his details for the login. Here is a dashboard screen. We need to go to the manage meter for adding a new meter. Add new meter. You can configure parent meter also. Then grouping of your meter, new meter name, meter description, meter installation date, and then Modbus device ID. It is configured in the energy meter itself. Then you can choose the meter type. Here you can choose the energy meter model and its MAC. We have already loaded some standard energy meters with its Modbus details, so you just need to select from the select global meter. Then you can add the serial number, location details, connectivity is local and status is active. If you are adding a new meter, you need to check for the status. After adding a new meter, we will go to manage meter screen and check status of meter to be active. If meter is in active status, then it will communicate. Now we will go to the take configuration. Here this feature is to configure which electrical parameter we need to read from that particular energy meter. Engineer can individually check and uncheck required parameters, or he can check all parameters from upper side. Only checked electrical parameters will be read by EMS. Then engineer need to configure log type of individual parameter. There are three options: live, historical and both. Engineer can also add alert values from here for individual electrical parameters. Once energy meter is configured, engineer need to set local communication configuration. By add configuration, user can set local communication channel settings. Here, engineer can set port type to TCP/IP, IP address of the Modbus to Ethernet converter or gateway. Engineer will get all meters leads in select meter. He need to select all the meters which are connected to that particular converter. Then save the configuration. The main point here is engineer need to set particular converter setting to the active on state. Only active status converter will be read by EMS software. After that, engineer can check live data from live data screen. Here you will get live data of that particular meter. Thank you.